Congratulations! You've won a Traveler Review Award. Now what? Well, to access your award, head over to the Traveler Review Awards page. Enter your ID into the search bar at the top of the page and hit search. Your personalized award kit will appear, allowing you to select which assets you'd like to download. If you choose to download a single asset, it will automatically save to your computer's downloads folder. If you select multiple assets when you download, they'll be saved together in a zip folder. Simply right-click and select Extract here, or double-click if you're on a Mac. The selection of assets has been created to help you celebrate your win, including a PDF of your personalized award for you to print out and put on display. You'll also find templates to add to your Instagram stories, a digital award to post on social media, a digital frame to add your own photo to, and an email signature banner. To add the email banner, open your email signature settings, upload the banner image, and place it neatly below your signature details. There's also a digital gallery award for you to add to your page. Just head over to the extranet, go to the drop-down menu, click Photos, and drag your award into the gallery. This way, you'll be able to proudly display your achievement to guests when they view your page. You can also download all the assets on your mobile. Enter your ID into the search bar to access your award assets. You can share some assets straight to social media from your mobile device. Simply click the assets you want to share and hit the share button. Choose the channel you want to share it on. Select the format you want and then post it to your social media. However, the social media frame can't be shared directly from your phone. You need to download it first and save it to your camera roll. Head over to Instagram and hit the plus button. Making sure you're on the Story tab, open your camera roll in the bottom left corner and choose the photo you'd like to use. Next, open the sticker menu and select Add Photo. This time, you can insert the frame. It will be inserted with rounded corners by default, but you can tap it until it becomes a rectangle. Finally, position it however you like on your picture. Click the arrow and download. Now you can post it. You can even display the award on your website. Make sure to link to the Traveler Review Awards page, so your guests can find out what the awards mean and why it makes your business special. We can't wait to see how you've shared your award. Make sure to tag us and use the Traveler Review Awards hashtag so we can celebrate with you.